All right, we have three saws here today. We have an 024, an 026 that's probably 40 years old or more. Not even sure. Not sure how old that one is. And then a fairly new CM 260 from local hardware store. This has a full chisel chain that's rather new. I just bucked one log with it. Still new. This is a rather new full chisel chain as well. This is the semi chisel chain that is pretty sharp but has been used. All right, we're going to time how long it takes us to get through this piece of red oak. All right, Asher, watch Daddy cut the log. All right, ready? All right. Ready? Oh, I hit a stone. Oh no. See what happens when you hit a stone? It's like twice as long. Darn it, I can't believe it. All right, well here we have the 026. All right, ready? This is a new chain, and it's as slow as that one with the chain where I just hit a stone. So let me just tune the carb real quick. I don't know, I could squeeze some more power out of it. Oh, this thing is slow. All right, here we have the 024. I put the oh boy, 36. Let's do one more. How was it?
I like that.
Okay, results of the study, and got some cuts, some wood chips. But these two older saws, they're both roughly the same cutting speed. They're about 50% slower than this saw, the 261-C. So this one cut in about 19 seconds for one cut, and then I hit a stone. There was a stone stuck in the bark. Then it cut in about 34 seconds, even with a stone hitting the chain. And these both cut in about the same speed, about 35 seconds, which that's like 50% slower than this saw. So I don't know, I think I'm going to sell these two saws. But anyways, oh yeah, and so hitting a stone, you lose your speed by 50%, I guess, off of a newly sharpened chain. I can't believe I hit one, but anyway, that was kind of fun to do.